Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on.
Go on, sis.
Morning, bro. What's
Morning. Me there, man.
up? Where so?
Boy, sis, work, man. I pressure system, you know.
Work on the skin.
Yeah, man, for true,
You
man.
know love money, man. So you know.
You know, easy, you know. Money is my middle name. I don't know why me never middle name money.
Remember say Emily and Nick doing so.
You know about it. It's that I'm a football time to all money me for your work, man, for true. Yeah. He look like so when me a born. Mummy, they have whole heap of money for true.
He looks well now.
And she not give none car.
Boy.
Come like, come here, we cross them in a man, so I'll be a cross is fine with.
Only if I see him, I come to talk to you about him now.
What that?
I want to talk to you about that you they know me say I've moved close to Prolong.
Who that?
What's his name again? You remember him? Look, cause man, he working here.
Oh, Bassana attack.
Yeah, the same one.
Then I know Bassana name by now for true, sis, man. I must say, I've shot minus senile, you know.
Yeah.
You know, say, I don't love them things, man. I don't love people business and them sitting in,
Not
man.
really people business, you know, but you think you really bad for you.
For true.
Yeah, your cousin Bossy. You know, you're going with him.
Bassana. What kind of problem Bassana could have put himself, you know?
I might take away every woman about the place, and I don't know how much money you take away.
You have to make sure the words them we use, sis, not have nothing to do with nobody. I take away my shanty from me for true. Sis, how we talk about, man? Me not take them things the for joke, I take them things the light. Look, I talk about.
What you don't know, older than you. Say it, you not even know, say. I him, I feel him around word now. Say I take with everybody woman. You not even know nobody, I swear. Yeah, me understand, say I love Shanti, but it's not about you or how you feel about Shanti. It's about your cousin. Maybe you have sweeter words than you. And sweeper off her feet.
No, but it's in our blood, sweet words, you know. So, and we are first cousins, so you know it go. But, sis, I can't pre them thing there.
You see, I'm gonna go tell me about it. Remember me tell you. Remember your sister did tell us so.
Yeah.
You see one gonna come and
Sis,
tell
listen, man.
me say
Looking at me, the face in a grey hair.
backside.
Me no senile. Full of senile. I mean, no short time, my missus.
No, but you could have mean money, you know, remember say, and full of
listen,
M.
listen, sis. I love what you do for me. But you're my sister, Bassana, my cousin.
Yeah, she your girlfriend.
Yeah. Take Shanti out of this, sis. No put Shanti in this. Because first of all, I don't tell you already say, Shanti and my booby for life. It's true. And there is no other Shanti like my Shanti. Not even a Shanti, but Shanti.
Okay, so.
You understand? And no other man can see her what?
Yeah, that
You know the word already. It's true. But anyway, sis, I love what you do for me. And you look out for me for true. But Bassana my cause. And I don't believe say he might do them thing there, you know. And I know him for me, I look a boy for true. And he's a good youth. Them youth, they not pre them thing there. Them not go see a woman and trouble a woman.
You're so
you understand? So in a one way, you have to understand, say, me not mess them thing there. Me not go make sis. Me not go make what you tell me, make me pre my cousin, you know, because I know some people, you know, they just want to hear and look at something, so you know.
Good luck.
Sis.
I wish you good luck.
I think of some lunch you can give me. Me go back for work here, sis. Yeah, alright. Eh? Oh, you know, easy, you know, the good thing you have to bring come first.
No, bad thing first and good after.
There's no bad in that because you know, my cousin I do them thing, the man. So yeah. Alright, sis. Yo, I like feel him kind of way of true, you know. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, baby.
Hey, what's up?
B, me not here.
Hello?
Yeah, hear me, B? Where son, sir?
Yeah, you can't mental sleep.
I just wake.
Mm-hmm.
Where that is? I'll make you sleep, so babe.
I'm just tired, you know?
For true. All the night, last night, man, I'm most tired for true, man.
Of course.
Yeah. But the son really tired, though. I don't understand the son, sir.
Tired, man. I'm gonna put headache.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, do you take pill?
No.
You don't take no pill?
Mm-mm.
You take no pill. So, you know, I don't take one pill, man.
Alright, I'm gonna take it. I don't know, you know?
So, B, how the son there? Eh? You sure?
Yeah.
No, man, that son away, man.
No.
So, I don't like the sound, man. Okay, so. It sound like, yeah. Like, you know, like how they are going out last night. I don't like it, son. So.
Okay, man, come on. Let me happen. You don't know me, you don't look at everything.
And you know, I love it too, and yeah, my booby for life, for true.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. My wifey, my booby. For true, man. Yeah, man, like always, man. Like always, man. So,
Yeah.
me
Me too.
yeah, baby. See you later, alright?
Alright, sweetie, love you.
Alright, love you more, baby.
Mwah.
Okay, baby. Alright, later.
Alright.
Alright, baby. Bye-bye. I don't understand. So now who you know, come like my paranoid or something, you know. Me I overthink. Not overreact, but overthink. Bassa not take too long to come back, you know. Man I come like he might overdo things, you know.
Why you coming in late, Boston?
What you talking about coming late? To go for lunch.
Oh, what time lunch then?
1 o'clock lunchtime, but me left out an hour late.
So when you coming back at?
After lunch, me I come back from back.
Look how you look. Look how you look. Look how you slippers.
Hold the slippers.
Look how you slippers, Boston. Look how you look coming in back from lunch.
But wait, about the left and right this. Alright, boss, may I get back to the work here?
Please do.
Thank you. Skinny. Oh, go on. Yes, cuz.
Bassana, what wrong with you?
What you talk about, cuz?
What you mean with me I talk about? Come on, man. Cuz. If you stop in a cuz.
What you talk about now, cuz?
What you mean with me I talk about?
But no, you just call me frightened full, boss. What me? I don't know what me I do.
Stop it, cuz.
I don't know what me I do.
What you mean, you know what you do? You know what you do, cuz.
What you talk about? Just come to me straight.
Full time you stop them sitting here, cuz. Cuz, you remember say camera there and them thing there, cuz. So, you want me lose more work? every lunchtime, you go and you left all for 2.5 hours. But 2 hours and then sitting there. You can't do them thing the Bassana, man. What wrong with you, man?
But cause I just lunch, me go have, you know. Right now, we just don't eat the lunch. Me tell some belly full, me all have to left back some.
A joke thing, you can't do them sitting there. So why you eat so long that it take you 2 hours, cause? Man, I laugh. You know, say come like a joke thing you take work for. Every day me have to take up for you.
I tell you the lunch there, you know. Me enjoy it, you know. To me enjoy it sweet, man. Me I tell you me have to left back some later. Jado, but cause, on a serious note still, me I do better for true, man.
You can't do them sitting there, man. You can't. You can't.
Yeah, me I do better.
Cause you can't do them thing there. You can't left every day, so what they yard that sweet, so. Eh?
But
you want get fire and then get me fire? Eh? You see when fire run, I alone I get the heat and burn up and turn your yard like some people where they're their yard and I look work and can't get work and want work and can't get none and need work and can't get none. I mean now get involved in it, you know, every day, you know, cause every day, you know. I mean, hey, me now tell you again, no, cause me tired for you look out for you. Every time you have to tell bosses say you left late for lunch. You left late for lunch. Relax no man and do the right thing, man.
what cause?
You know some rate and I am a special cousin.
What cause?
You know remember good man?
What cause? Love how you look out for me still, no? Love how you look out for me.
You need to fix up, man. You need to fix up. It displeasable to bossy. One day I just get fed up, you know. You look, you say the supervisor, Safi, with him fine voice. Making if you work. Hey, look at you. Look at you.
But cause me I do better.
Do the right thing, man. And finish up your work, man.
Yeah, man.
Me a grow on about go lay down. You see, anytime them a look for me, you better find some story to tell them, yeah?
That don't know,
every
man.
time you left and gone for much, you know.
We have family now, we have to look out.
Go sleep, so.
We have to look out for one another, you know, cause so.
Yeah, man, just do the right thing, man. Run a back and sleep, man. If your boss here come, just buzz me so for church. You know your style already.
Alright,
Yeah.
let's come on.
Yeah, cuz.
Always help me out, you know. Always help me out, but Psycho, he help me and he help him back. Nothing wrong with that.
Hey.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Hey. Nobody say me, nobody say me I watch it, or anything, you know. But no, what me I say like you know when you feel like I watch you, but me I ask you, rolling dice house?
No. I'm the one day you just tell something that much long wake up.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Where all of these questions though?
No, babe, listen man, that me I try to tell you from earlier, so me know you feel like me I watch you or anything like that. Me no.
But if you talk like, yeah, watch me, then me I go, you know? I go, if I hear that, but why all these questions though?
No, me just a check, babe. Me I tell you, so me no want you have no man friend at the yard. I just that me I try to tell you for a long time.
You know, Rolling Dice, I'm a friend for a long time.
Listen,
I know where you're going, so.
babe, listen, you see, at that, you know, you see, if I never start it, me would not feel away, you know, me feel away, you know, that's why I call you for check. Me no want no man in my yard, me no want a man friend, me no have no man friend. That no valid in my belief in a relationship, you understand? And it's...
Me and my friends are long before me,
so much time you tell me the same thing, no matter to me if you are my friend from long time, if you are in a relationship, for a long time. No, me and you together, so you're my friend. So Me no want him come my yard and them thing there. And your yard and my yard and my yard and your yard. So in the idea, me no want no man there my yard. And me tell her that already. Yesterday me tell her that, so me no you feel like me even argue to me, just I tell her. You understand? Me just I tell her, me no argue, me just I tell her say, oh, me no want no man. I mean, yesterday, the same thing, so me make sure I tell her for now, me no want no man in my yard. You understand? The only man for there in my yard is the man dog out the door. I watch everything for me. You understand? And me no want you have no, me tired to tell us, so me just a check. So me no feel no way, so me ask and you come ask me why me ask this bag of question. What, you're my woman, so me supposed to be inquisitive about you. You understand? And any question me supposed to ask, you know, supposed to have any problem with that. You understand?
I have a problem because I'm a friend.
Shanti, you hear me tell you? Me no want you have no man friend. I mean, you hear me tell you?
I'm a friend.
You know say you make me get irritated now for Chocho. Me no want no man in my yard. Me tell you yesterday. Me no want no man in my yard. So you make me all load up in a workplace and sitting. It's like how me the panting line. Yo.
I'm a friend. I'm not dashing my friend just because you don't want to in your yard. I'm a friend.
It's alright.
You live here, I'm come here.
It's alright. We not gonna just make sure so when me come there, no man no did it. Me no want a man in my yard. Me tired. Me no feel comfortable. Me no comfortable about it. It's not good. And ask any man and see if they not tell us say, listen, me not gonna argue, you know, me there work. Me need a piece of mind.
I don't say you don't love me, it's alright.
Baby, stop then sitting a man, but me not love you. You know, say me love you.
Because we can't have a friend because you're jealous.
Babe, I'm not jealous. And it not nothing to do with jealous. What wrong with you? You make me look like me as some look a mama man. You're not mama man. Me just I tell her me.
A mama man behavior you have to deal with right now. Mama man behavior.
I sleep, me fear go sleep now, take a look a break now. Me fear have displeasing conversation. That no look good. That no look good for a relationship. That not healthy. Eh?
I'm a friend. Let's say I'm a friend. Why you can't just understand I'm a friend? Me know I
me know why you have no man friend. You hear me tell her?
But listen, if we didn't want to, we would have him from long time. So we know where you are.
So what kind of statement them they make? You see you're not easy, you know. I throw it over iPhone. I throw it over iPhone. You go on, you fix up later, come here, drink up some baba roots and come for you. Go on.
Alright.
You go on, man. Babe, me so come on, man. Hey, maybe I come on look early today, you know. I miss you, see.
Good.
I miss you, see. My booby for life. I so forward.
Alright.
Yeah, make sure you cook some steamed fish and okra.
Where's this stuff?
True. I love you, baby.
Yeah. Love you too.
I love you, Moses. I love you beyond the sky.
I love you more.
I love you beyond the moon. True. And you know what? Guess what?
What?
I love you beyond the universe. Hold on, baby. You think it done this, huh?
No, tell me more.
I love you beside God. True.
You couldn't love me in front of me beside him, you're gone.
Beside him, man. If me love you be in front of him, I go see everything. I mean, I want God look for my woman. My woman too, nice and clean for him look pan. So if we decide him now will get the chance to look pan you. You understand? See, yes, and God a man, so me no want God a man, so me no want no man to look for my woman. But
Okay.
watch boss here coming up, so you what? Me will talk to you later, yeah? Alright, baby, love you. Bye-bye. Alright. What about me? Cause me know my style. Know my style.
Skinny!
Cho.
I go on, baby.
Me there, man. Me and baby. There go on.
Joke me and make with you, man. Everything
Cho, man. Me there, man. You know your style already, man.
No, sir, for one day, I look for you, though, I can't see how I go on over
Look
there.
for me for.
Just to link you up. Sir, just to link you up.
I don't understand where you link me up for.
So, I want, yeah, my bridging down, so I want to carry out, go make we go have a drink or something.
No. Come out here. No. Me not like how that sound.
How is sound?
Cat who got? Beijing that no mean say me have for God. Me not like how that sound. Remember say me have woman no.
I know about that now, so now, yeah?
Shorty, I have to fix up then chat them, man.
No, if you go have a drink, yo.
No. Yeah, your man do that. Me have my woman and me love my woman for true. So me not try to put anything in my woman head.
So you them make you the thing look so like me and your bridging now.
Yeah, but it not right. No, it not right. It not had up to me. Listen, you see in a relationship, you have to understand so there are certain things we're limited.
Then come out woman have them man friends same way and we go.
No sir. No, sir. Let me tell you, man. They say anytime you see them sitting there about man friend and woman friend and they sitting there, then think they go on now. Alright, so watch you now. I'll show you a look up here, see? Me and you go have a drink. So post when we start drink now, so for sure you want for intercourse and me want intercourse. Then me not go cheat for my woman and me not instead of make it reach so, then I always say prevention better than cure.
So nothing wrong with that, Skinny? Well, go on, nothing wrong with that. Oh, you know if your woman not there, you have to give bun now. You out here say you know what she do?
My woman never give me bonnet. My woman never. Listen, man, me tell you something, man. Well, if you understand, you're a good girl, nice girl, one day you're going to find the perfect man for you for true. But you see, for me no want committed relationship where my commitment them to my woman, me I keep them and me I maintain them and I just say them I pretend like, you understand, because it's for real, for true. Me love my woman love me. Me loyal, she loyal. So you say until you find the perfect man, maybe 20 man were there with that 30 man or any amount of man, me don't know how much, but if them broke your heart, that means say it's just not the right one. Sometimes you have to dig out the nose for the yes. So until you find the yes man, the real man for deal with her the real and proper way and treat her like a queen, like how me treat my woman like a queen. You know my woman and you saw my woman sexy and broad and stay so for true. She are like 3 in 1. You understand for true? So
that's why me I tell her so she a 3 in 1. So when she go up on the road now and the next man say her, you sure?
Me can't vote for my woman.
Stop being some, make we go have a look at drink. Come tell man.
You have to stop ramping. A prank can't try prank me.
Me not prank you, Skinny man. Make we go
me no like how you hold on for me. Too intimate.
Why intimate, Skinny? Why intimate about touching my friend? You know my brother?
No, you see it.
Watch out.
No, let go from me now. Yo, easy now. Shorty cat, easy. No, me not like how your emotion. Me you do good, but no, you have to go hold your space. No man, for true man, me not laugh.
So you try to say me and you can't be friends no more?
Yeah, but you have
to,
like cross the line. Yeah, cross the line.
You know you so nice.
Yeah, cross the line.
See the line there? I'm going to cross it.
Yeah, cross the line. No, me say, you hear me say no?
I get where man come from. Sometimes if you carry the lady for one nice little date or like a double date with me and Skinny sometime, you know, she like, you have to make woman, wow your woman, just wow her and make you feel nice. Everything I go work out. I hear woman now, you just have to show her, say you love her.
But it come like somebody else a war her more than me. Because me I tell her, say me could go up on date, beach, or the hotel me I tell her, say me could go book in one weekend, she a tell me, say, she a go granny. If I no granny, she a go a mommy. So me I wonder if she not have time for me every day she want to go granny and mommy or cousin.
Just try one more time, man. She love you, man. She always a call me and stuff, you know, so anything she talk about, you know, me always tell her, come here, a friend like that. So, just carry out the girl for one nice date and me talk to her for you.
One thing we do, you know, my friend, they always tell me right thing. For real, man. Respect you, you know. For real,
don't know, so you said, no, man. Yeah. I don't know, see, I saw you think set already, my friend. Remember, you know, I know every woman loyal. Like me, you know, me loyal to Skinny, you know, because you don't know me love my Skinny, boo. So, I know every woman loyal, but you know, if she not go on good, we can still can't get down a taboo, we can get a lap dance. So, don't know the thing set.
True. Yeah?
Don't know the thing set, man. We got your back. What's that, sorry for you? Good evening, babe. Good evening, babe.
Yo, Skinny, what go on?
Shanti!
skinny.
I mean, you're skinny who what?
I want me do way I behave, so.
I mean how me I behave. What kind of style that? What the style the name? What you call it?
What you mean?
Shanti.
What me do?
Shanti. Yo, what me tell about them style?
What style you talk about?
What you mean what style? Me no tell you say me no want you have no man friend. How much time me I gotta tell you that?
But you don't know so rolling dice, I'm a friend.
Friend where? What type of friend?
I'm a only friend that I have from back in the...
Listen me man. The only man friend of you have are me.
We are going like you don't know say my love you already. We have been so strong for.
Shanti. Let me tell you this man. You say the only man friend of you have, the only man friend of you have are me. Me are the only man friend. Hey, yo, let me tell you this, you know. Me are the only man friend of you have for true, you know. Me no want my woman to have no other friend but no man friend. And now your best friend. You know where that later? You saw me come soon though, I drink rum. And you know where that later?
You see me I drink no rum?
Yo, no ramp with me, no. No ramp with me, no. Shanti, no ramp with me for true, you know.
You know, say you my love. Stop being so man. You know, say you're me one and only, so stop being so.
Yo, right now, me no feel comfortable, man. Because me tell yourself, you know, me no like his style, man.
Stop pay that mind and come go sit down and talk about our future. We'll be with them.
Come here, my girl. You see you. Come here, man. Don't do that again, man. I tell you, say, yo, I tell you, say, me no like my woman no fi have no man friend, man.
But you know, say I'm a friend and you never see we do nothing. All him did they do I talk to me about
me no dey at daytime. Me no dey at daytime for see nothing.
But him just come. Him just come, babe. I promise.
Him just come. Where him come?
On the veranda.
On the veranda.
Nowhere else. You know you alone can come, listen.
You see you talking about come. You know me come talk to you about.
What?
You know say a full time for me give you something done, so.
What you know say?
Yeah. Big man thing. A full time for we carry skinny Junior. Me no want you worry yourself. Willan. Mine you worry yourself and I feel like me not do my job, you know. I start off with man friend, then next thing you go here say you're pregnant and enough for me.
The way how you put on your pipe, them I don't think another man can do it.
Hey, you know, easy the way. Let's see how you go on. Hey, yes I go on, man. Me am a plumber. Me a carpenter. Me do carving and when me a carve properly.
Proper baby.
Proper carving. You wait till them time with baby born. Skinny Jonah. Yeah, you know easy though. Listen. Where I get married.
When?
I want to surprise you.
You sure?
I have to surprise you.
Remember my birthday coming, you know? I'm excited.
2 in 1.
I say, babes, I say, I have over something planned for you, you see, you know? Oh, wow. God, man. I say, all of this style, them.
Why? Would I want to look in? But listen, oh, you know like Bassana, he might be best man at wedding, you know?
Just make him stay up on your side of the table.
Babe, me not like that, cause he might be the best man upon the wedding.
You're and best then, man, cause me I'm gonna have my neighbor, you know, a little cute girl, little short one, man. You know, Shorty come. And she have to be my best girl.
With Shorty come.
No.
No. No. Shorty come can't do a wedding.
Well, let me tell you something. You see, if Shorty can't go to the wedding, Bassana can't go neither. And that's why. And by me saying that, you know, say shop lock.
Babe, come here, man. What you talking about? Me need to tell you something. And you say, and I like me no want Shorty come my wedding, you know.
So when Shorty come, do you know why she can't come at the wedding? And I like to she come object. Because she always attacks so we need to marry.
So you want skinny go on so? Like you want murder a woman. You know, because I mean no problem go on still, but I go and sit on my road and listen what I go on. Shanti, look more, man.
What do you mean? Talk to me. Talk to me, man.
Babe, listen. Fix up. Listen. You know me love you, right?
Yeah, I know you love me, Skinny.
Right, good. I'm like how you get that ribbit in your brain. In the long remembrance section of your brain. Right? So listen. You say Shorty Cam. She had trouble.
The girl don't know trouble.
What you see it, you
And you see, if you raise the voice for me, I'll get up and left here now.
listen up, me not raise my voice, man.
Alright.
My voice just rough. True. Babe, listen. Just now, when me I come home, you smell rum. Me did take a one drink, but I'm drunk, but I'm not full.
Tell me a drink.
We passed that already, man. Yeah, bring up the whole story in a
But you
new
know that
story.
all it just happened?
Alright, listen. Shorty Kama look, man. Shorty Kama tell me, say, she want me and her tweet subliminally, as so she bring it to me.
What you mean?
Alright.
I fight her, I'm go fight her.
Babe, listen, look that no, man. Look, my woman and a hooligan.
I can't my skinny stick
listen,
she wash here. But I share him, sorry.
Listen, my woman and a hooligan, and me no want to no fighting. Share what? Share what? It's not sharing. There's no sharing over here.
Maybe poison you, don't ramp with me.
And then you poison yourself, and then we can
They
die
together, they
together.
like
Yeah, that easy, but she can't come. She can't come. Me no want
and
nothing
she
come
know
between me and you.
She know it from long a while, so me gonna want her at the wedding.
You not understand, you know. You not understand.
But
Prevention better than cure. Me no fool my thing and make it stay right there just for you. But the thing about it is that me no want she come up on me.
Me don't like your cousin. I don't like your cousin, and you know that. You know that. So you have to go make rolling dice. Your best man.
No. You hear me
Then
say?
Shorty come, I go be my bridesmaid, and I just decide me maid.
We're not married then. We're not married in then.
No marriage, no picnic.
Hey man, don't be foolish this stuff. Come here, big girl. Come on, big girl. Me well try to face it. Come on, big girl.
Serious,
If I never for me, then how you woulda make it out? How things woulda gone for you? And if I never for me, how you woulda enjoy yourself? Yeah, enjoy yourself. Tell me now, if I never for me, then how you woulda make it out? How you woulda enjoy yourself? And then one of them time there when the thing gets steady up and the thing gonna lead and we no do kinda lead. Yeah, a big league championship, you know the thing says
Skinny.
so true. We are going with cause.
They are no cause.
They're not easy. Either you're late for work or on lunchtime you're gone. Something about you and work. No right now mesh well together, you know?
Yeah.
You know say enough for your work as a cause. Big man thing, I tell you the truth, man.
Every day you come with something different. What you chat about?
So you want to say murmur about
Murmur like a some mama man. Cause how much party boss did Sefi put out again about?
You know say alright, when me did just take out them two big ones cause him there say some new one that will come in for show, you know, and the people them like that one. But say them wanna sell fast for show.
Yeah man.
Hold on, whoa. What am your shirt?
What? You just me a band shirt. What you talk about?
Your working shirt cause
yo, you want to say a two shirt me have, you know?
Me not, yo.
A two shirt me have, me wash the pink one me wash it yesterday.
So yesterday you wear pink shirt like a girl. A girl alone wear pink. What you doing a pink?
That
want your working shirt, you know, you can't do them they see it, you come today again, the same thing again.
That's why I have to go, you know, so I have to get a woman put on my head. Today when he washed this shirt, at least, couldn't dry. I come chat about pink shirt, boy. Yo, say, because they can murmur, you know?
And no matter murmur, you come yesterday, you wear pink shirt. Today you wear different color shirt. I'm uniform. I'm going to say a polo shirt, but I say for wear and pants.
What I got my way, you know?
You need to fix up, man, because you can't do them sitting there, man. You're not going good enough. You know, say one piece of fire run down. One piece of fire run down. You like your love run.
You know,
yeah, man, you like your love run.
I love you the word. Me I do better now, cause
Every day you do better, you go on.
The fire
for
thing.
the right thing, because you can't come and work and now you're right.
But cause me not lie, man. I never remember. I never have no shot, man. Sure.
I wonder if you know nothing about them thing there. Because a girl is still in. Because, watch out now. What next thing do you want to talk to you about?
What that now?
You know, say, one look thing about me. See?
How about my cousin now?
You not rest well with me. Yeah, you not rest well with me at all.
What that now?
It make me wonder if me paranoid or me overthink or overreact or if you kind of word I can think of if address this kind of situation. Cause
that sound like you roll up on your head, cause
more than the world, my woman me a talk about right now for true. Big man thing. But woman, you know me love Shanti.
Yeah, man.
You know say me love for Shanti unconditional.
Me know you love Shanti to your heart.
Yeah, cause I'm big man thing. Me ask you one question. One question me ask you, and as a man to man, as a real cousin, I am my favorite cousin. You know that too.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
man.
one question me have to ask you. I want you to answer me honestly, cause yo, more you give me real and true and honest questions, eh? Cause more know if my psycho or if my brain a go or my paranoid, me no know. But me ask you, cousin, I want you to give me your honest opinion and your honest response, eh?
Just hurry up and tell me no cause, man. What you talk about?
Between me and you, Zane, and the stove with the right so, and the pot with the right so. Hello. Somebody on the right. Sandra.
Yes, man, that's the new worker. One of the new worker.
But anyway, still, Zane, between me and you, Zane, you think no woman if you have no man friend?
You're mad, cause as long as you have a woman, you know if you have no man friend.
Same thing me a pray.
Look here.
You got me a pray, man.
Let me show you something. Like how me and your cousin now. You get what?
Yeah.
Me can be friend to your woman, but apart
from
that,
you are my special cousin.
Family, but apart from that, you know if you have no man friend. You idiot, man.
Then that me a make man, me know me head now go, you know, me know me head now go, me know me head in the right place and the right socket, cause when I tell me come like me mother me and say to her, bro, it's like if even me go my yard, me see one next man in my yard. And my man dog alone, and as well say, you as my cousin, and you are my special cousin for Chocho. You are only man friend she can have to.
Exactly.
But otherwise one that.
Alright, Sandra. You say, but apart from that, no man friend. No love. Every day you go home, you see your next man.
Every day, cause brother man named Rolling Dice. One time all night, bro. Me them out there is, but I out there boy ma sing song and them thing there, brother. Me no like them thing. Me no love that. Them thing they no rest well with me.
Me no love that.
Big man thing.
Because me not, you love her, you know. Me know say you love her. Me no want nobody play with you, you know.
Bro. Me walk the tallest mountain, swim the deepest sea, go through the roughest and the toughest maca, and go up on the longest journey. Me walk through any fire. Because me no ramp, you know when it come to my booby for life, so for true, me no play them game, me no want to go in my yard and I see no man figure in my place, cause not even one man spirit no for there in my yard. You know see, I be a bun out that with frankincense and more.
Me I tell
me no want no man figure in my house, cause my woman no fi have no man friend. What you talk about?
Apart from me, yo, me I tell her say, remember we your cousin, you know, but me I tell her no other man friend in here.
Yo,
John,
yo, me no know, but me can't. You see thing about it too. That me no like with Shanti, you know. You see every time me I talk to her about it, she want to tell me, say we are just friends, and them thing there. Me remember the last time, you know, down West Palm Lane, so for true, you know. Remember the last time that situation happened to to a brother man down there, now. Mad him nearly mad out, you know. Man, they yard every day, you know, wash, cook and clean like him one night time here, you know. Him not even like woman, a man him like, and him a fish and him a this and that. Well, the fish did a wobble and dabble in a woman so for cho and when to breed. In a house, the man buying good old nice fridge them and him nice stove and him every week him buy grocery. Fat up mangoes for who? What? Fat up chicken for mangoes?
Fat and fall for mangoes.
Fat and fall for mangoes.
Yes,
well,
man.
This is skinny as Sophie Chocho. Now what? Nah, fat and fall for mangoes.
I mean, I like you as a cousin. Me I watch out for you too.
Yo,
you always look out for me,
me no like, you know what me
yeah,
feel
man,
say?
You always look out for me, so me have to look out back for you.
You know me feel say, it's when you go for lunch at evening time, it's when you pass, when you stop over there and take a prep to me for chocho. Yeah, man. And don't say yeah, watch it, them kind of thing then, okay, you don't know say watch it.
Yeah, because I don't want them call my cousin watch it.
Yeah, you know. So as I in the idea, me want you just give a high for me. So when you pass, when you go for lunch more, you take a preps. Even if you go come back late, you know me cover for you. Me always look out for you.
That go because if me ever take one extra 5, you know say up a yard me I go watch. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Don't know I go. We have to watch one another back, you know.
Yo, me no like it stress me out, man. Me no like how every time I go, me I say. Yes, me I see different. Me I see man in my yard, man figure in my yard. Me no want no man in my yard, cause me I tell you, and me not talk to her again, no, cause me not talk to her again.
But me I go on.
No man, me no want no man in my yard. Me no want go in my yard and see no man. Me I work whole day me I work and go man in my yard, go see man in my yard. Yeah man, cause man, me no like them something, cause man, and yo, it disturbing to me, man. Every day so. The man can't go find work though. The man just sit down on my veranda, chat to me woman. Me no like, me go get camera put on me yard. Cause me no like them sitting there, cause man. Sure. Like a bicycle. I saw me ride on your heart, baby love. When you give me tender love, tender touch. Yeah, Shanti, you are my baby, my lady since lately. You are drive me crazy. Hold on. Right. Like a bicycle, girl, I saw me ride on your heart. Shanti, I saw you give me love for me, take it to me, be a part of me.
Yo, cause you're an artist.
Yeah, easy. Yo, a bad song still. Yeah, you know, hear the part.
Ride like a bicycle, hear the part there.
No, man. I have to go fix up it. I know me if you ride her like a bicycle, and she if you ride me like a bicycle. Oh. So, alright, so here I know. Baby Shanti, you know me love you, me no love your auntie. Me want you ride it like a bicycle and a tricycle and a stuff for choo-choo and me just have to ride it, man. The body no choo-choo.
Talking about like...
Way up to?
No, talking about right now.
Way up to?
Yo, cause me not like...
Way up to? Sitting up to, you know, cause you see. Me know when you up to, way up to, hey, cause you know, he's, make sure, yeah. But I foolishness, now where I go?
Me have a little thing to go deal with, it's very important.
Me no know, man.
Yo, cause... Yeah, help me out so good so far, so I beg you. Don't let me down from the one. I just make a little extra time for lunch today. It's important. We have to do it. We have to do this too.
You know what I say? When I make a deal with it, as I say, important.
Important, me tell you.
But cause, big man thing. You know feel say, I'm me the most of the work.
But, yo, cause when I come back, man,
me ask a question. You know feel say, me the most of the work, so for Chocho.
But me I help you do the work too, cause you are going so.
We help do what work, you do less work. Me not argue, you know, we need to have a bargain. You are going. Me need to get 50% of your pay.
Alright, no problem.
You ram too much, what? But no problem. Me I want 50% of your pay, cause you can't, you know do no work. Yeah, we are real cousin, but you not do no work.
Cause,
every day you left for lunch all 2-3 hours you left and then sitting there for
working there, no easy still about cause.
But you can, if you work, yes, so you work, yes, so you can't work, yes, and I work over this, and I work over there, and I work everywhere. And one place you have to work.
So you go get 50%, so.
No man, I joke, yeah. We have to go sign contract and agreement. You know, me not 50%. Yeah man, go on. 50%. Hey, I joke you, man. 50%, but 50% and no. Out of 60 grand a week. Boy, 50%. Fooling, I'm a cousin, but a fool for show. What if you give me 50%? And I joke me did I make for show, you know? No man, cause can't give me 50%, but I take 20. Me not do them so harsh, man. I just take 20%. Me say I get you. Me I come. Good.
What if one Skinny reach it? Skinny! 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 Let me hear right. Skinny? I saw Shanty and Skinny go on. Let me take a seat. Me have bully part time. Bully part time me have to wait. Go and wait. Not disturb them peace at all. Yeah. No, sir. Be serious. Very serious. Me have to show me the discussion. Me have to show Skinny this too serious.
Baby, I love you. Like the way you love me. Yeah, I love you. And there is no other girl like you. So for true, girl, I love you. And you're my baby, my darling for life. And I will stay with you forevermore. So for true, kaya me, honey bunny, my darling, my sugar. Hello, sis, so I go on for true. Yes, sis.
Or your fan come, me never hear or your fan come.
Your fan come? What do you mean by it? Sis, me there work, what you talk about?
Work go on in the area, they never say about it.
What do you mean work go on? Work? What kind of work?
You want your 2 year ball to see if I can't take it with you.
Sis, sis, you make me nervous now, sis. What do you mean work? What kind of work there me had?
My heart almost dropped out in my hand.
No man, I joke. What happened to Shanty, alright? Wait, sis.
So now she left from work down here.
Sis, what that thing in the background?
She left for your pan come if you want more.
Sis,
Put it in your hand.
Where say there? Sis?
Down your yard, bro.
So that sound like a poem in the background. A poem in watch me at, sis?
Bro, stop questioning me and come.
No man.
They say you and push back me and in my heart.
But Basana there, because sis, Basana there for stay for me and nobody there for can stay. Me alone, me can't live on Bas.
Tell them say you have emergency. You need to see it.
No man, sis, me come now, sis.
Record it, but you see it for yourself.
Where you tap, sis? Where you tap? Me come, sis. Me come.
Your man, come now, look.
Me come now, sis. Give me. I come, sis.
Hurry up.
Yo, Robert! Yo! Me left Shanty up a yard, dog. And my sister just called me, dog. Say, sit now, go on up there for Cho.
Yo!
You know, hear me?
Yeah,
you're there on duty?
Yeah, me defend you, me can't let the office now.
No man, you have to do it man. Like somebody up on the yard, bro. I mean, my sister say it's important.
Me can't let the office. Me can't let the office now.
What you mean you can't let brother? It's important, brother. Shanty up there. And it come like something I go on for you, dog. Yo, dog.
Boy, me just can't help you. Me can't let.
Just do that for me now, brother.
Yo, you're cool, man. Me say you just can't make.
Do me a beg you, man. Just go up a yard for me now, man. Sit and go on up there. Yo, me short.
Yo, me feel okay, but me can't.
Come here. Me just get one video
Sister,
with you.
where you see her go on?
Me just get one video with you.
What kind of video, sister? Where you see her go on in my house, sister?
You reach already, so go and go check. Like where you reach, go and go check.
Check what, sister? What you talk about?
Go and go knock your door, they question me.
Shanty!
I'll do them lock.
Shanty! Yo, Shanty! Yo, Basana! You swan sharp brother in our house? Yeah, Shanty! You say end up rolling in my house, man. Go murder him!
Yes, babe. Hey, baby.
Yo! Hey, baby! What? Yo! Who in my house? Yo! End up rolling dice in my house. Go murder that! Yo! Shanty!
Babe, what?
Yo! What go on in my house? My sister said things are going in my house. Me say.
Babe, no.
Say, me come here and catch rolling in my house. Yo, me tell her say, me murder and brawling. Me tell her say, me no want a man in my house.
One tear.
Hey, Basana.
Babe.
Yes, one. Yo, cuz, yes, one sharp brother come in my house when you're there.
No, cuz.
Yo. Yo. Me gonna murder somebody. My sister said, sit now, go on in my house and I want to know.
Oh, babe, you don't see nobody in here.
Cuz, member say,
Jano, come sweet things say sit now go on in my house, you know. Come sister call me and say you be things are going on in my house, you know.
No happen. You know say so pinky still. Come on, man. No happen.
Babe, yo, me I tell you, me stress out, you know, man.
Calm down. So where your shoes?
I mean, my shoes, the man. Yo, your shoes, the man there.
me I tell you, cause nobody no come out. Nobody no come out, man.
Alright. Maybe I may misunderstand my sister, cause yo. Sis, what kind of style that sis, man? You can't do them sitting man. I work me there, you know. Run left all the work right now. Fire me about forget fire, you know.
My sister believe people over me. But me done with it. Me done with it.
Where you talk about, sis?
I have my evidence. Me done with it.
Where you talk about, sis?
Know yourself. How are this?
Pink, yeah.
What is this? You don't believe. Excuse. Look on that.
My sister, what is?
What was so? You're blind?
Skinny. Jesus Christ, you come here to kill him.
Are you kill him?
Skinny.
Your bad self.
I didn't plan to marry to me, you know. Skinny.
Get some water.
Skinny and Santiago. Skinny, wake up. Skinny. You don't look like you're killing him. Skinny. Jesus Christ.
You say you have me, brother.
Are you kill him?
You have me, brother, with your bad self.
Skinny, look at me some alcohol.
Don't call the nurse.
I didn't love you enough. Oh. Left! Skinny. Talk to you. Me tell you. Me don't care. I didn't love him. And he didn't love me. He never married to me and give me bikini.
You
did love it?
Yes. Ayo. Billy. You have to go cut off rolling dice, you know, because man company no good. Leave! 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 No, we're not gonna have no baby. We have a future together. Skinny, you can't just shit so.
Action.
Good in morning, good in day, good in evening, good in night, good in whatever time you guys tune in. Prolong HD film here. Hope you all guys holding up very well. The Prolong HD film team wants to let you know that we are active this year. You can expect consistent upload from us. And please remember to tune in to us as well on TikTok and Instagram. TikTok and Instagram. We plan to make you tired to see our face. Guys, we're also taking the movie industry in Jamaica to another level. Another level, so expect the unexpected. So for true. Prolong HD film is the most memorable moment of time that you guys will experience. The wonderful movie that we will be giving you guys to show appreciation of your time that you spend to watch our movies, you know, our story. And some of these stories is stories that happen to people in real life. Some is just my imagination, because you all know Skinny, Sophie True is good at telling story. Well, maybe a storyteller, you know, more than a filmmaker, but a filmmaker. So guys, I want to say thank you over the years, and I'll keep trying to find the words to tell you how much I appreciate you guys. Every time I see the comments, every time I see the views, you know, I really appreciate you guys, and I just want to one day find that one word that can describe how much I feel about you guys. You guys are so wonderful in supporting us, and we really appreciate you here at Prolong HD Film, guys. We may have been through the difficult of time, the hardship, the stormy weather, the high mountain, and the so much things that we've been through to keep this channel awake, you know. And as I can promise you guys that 2023 is the most active year you can find for Prolong HD in producing. Guys, I really want you to go over TikTok, because there's some there's some videos that you guys just gonna laugh. You know, how I put stories together in short seconds, you know, how the team brought ideas together and pitch it to you guys so you can see it visually. Something that you never imagined that could, you know, play out like that, guys. But in a briefing and a nutshell, I want to tell you guys that it's not easy, it's not smooth, it's not the best, it's not the worst, but it's just Prolong HD Film doing their best, doing what they love the best, the most. And these people aren't just people. They are actors, they are creators. We are family, we are givers, we are helpers, we are supporters. Because there are a lot of people out there that are feeling pain. But one laugh make you happy again. For true, because you know Bombshell is here. Your boy, Skinny, so for true.
Hello, you me a thought. Me know you're in a disbelief, but me no wrong you. Can't trust nobody with your heart. In a them a time. Me no wrong you. For in a disbelief, can't trust nobody with your heart. In a them a time. But to find a virtuous woman is so hard, girl. Always on my mind, girl. Think about you, think about me, girl. I know it's so hard. Now I just wanna take you to the moon, show you off to the world, yeah. Let you us fall, for better, for worse, yeah. In a them your time, can't trust nobody. somebody with your heart. You know you're in a disbelief, but to find a virtuous woman is so hard. Yeah, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Yeah, one of a kind, beautiful girl with a sweet smile. Love me when you look at me, I look at you, girl. You're so beautiful now. In a them your time, find a virtuous woman is so hard. You know you're in a disbelief when me tell a girl that me love you to me heart. Never gonna walk away now. A virtuous woman is right, it's so hard. When me tell her say me love you, know you're in a disbelief. Yeah. In a them your time, can't trust nobody with your heart. Yeah, it's alright, it's alright.